So we've learned how to do, just going to make this smaller, same time, split time. We've learned how to cross it over our body with both of the poi. And now we're going to do 2-beat weave. One last move before we do the 2-beat weave is just crossing both of them over at the same time. So this time I've got my right hand going on top, and you can also practice doing it with your left hand on top. You're making an X. Once you've got that one down, what you're going to do is do it split time. So before we're going same time, now we're going split time. All you're going to be doing is you're going to pick which one's going to cross over first. So I'm going to go with my left, cross that over, and then the right follows. And that's your 2-beat weave. Once you've got that one down, you can practice it with the other arm going first. So right, left, left hand on top. And that's your 2-beat weave. Variations, you can try it low, work your way up high, up above your head. And that's it for your 2-beat weave. To go off from there, you could then work on a 3-beat weave. 3-beat weave, we'll add in another